With that, I'm to get you some breaking news coming in. The news just in after India's 1-3 loss to England there in the Test series being played, the former English captain Michael Vaughan took to Twitter to rant about the defeat and celebrate in his own unique way. Vaughan tweeted a new Indian cricket flag, eventually ridiculing the whole nation. So there you have it, one tweet coming in, of course, which is hurting the sensitivities there. Remember, there has been a dismal defeat of Indian cricket team. There's also news, of course, of some action against Mahendra Singh Dhoni for that continuous defeat in foreign soil. But for now, my colleague Srijit joining us from the newsroom for more details on this particular development, where former England captain Mr. Vaughan has took to Twitter to rant about the defeat and celebrate in his own way. Srijit, what more can you tell us about this unique celebration? Unfortunate, it's ridiculing India.
Absolutely. This is not for the first time that former England captain Michael Vaughan has come up with such a ridiculous tweet. Remember in 2011 when India toured England, the same way when, VVS Lakshman, when he was appealed for caught behind, he tweeted on the very next day stating that he has used Vaseline, applied Vaseline on his bat. And the same thing, just a month back, a month or two, March 26th, he ridiculed in the same manner the way he did the Indians. He, tweeted against the Sri Lankan national anthem. He said, it should be avoided. That was the intensity. That was the kind of tweet he did, and the anger, it was burst out at that point of time, for a week or two. And now Michael Vaughan coming up with a white flag that, really ridiculed the sentiments of Indians right after the defeat to England.
Absolutely. So, English cricketers, it seems, are known to be coming up or stoking such controversies in recent past, and latest, of course, being of Michael Vaughan ridiculing the Indian cricket team, talking about this new flag which he's posted on Twitter. Unfortunate, but any action really is taken for hurting the sentiments in the near past?
No, absolutely not. He was, forced to apologize for his act against the Sri Lankan team in March 26, but now it remains to be seen how the management or the administration takes this issue, because this is not an easy thing, because a former captain who, in 2003 he took over Nasser Hussain and, helped England to win the Ashes after 16 years, a man who is really been looked after, looked upon as a true leader. Tweet coming from him is not acceptable, and definitely BCCI will be looking into it, as you can see on the Twitter handle that people are really going against Michael Vaughan.
And in fact, Srijit, during the play, during this 5-match Test series, things haven't been so rosy between English and the Indian cricket team. Too, there was a controversy that brewed between Jadeja and Anderson as well, to which, of course, the ECB didn't react in a way that it should have been. It was away from justice, at least that's what the Indian cricketers have felt. They were hurt then as well, and it's the second time that their sentiments have been hurt. And this time it's not just the Indian cricketers, but the entire Indian nation.
Absolutely. it's a wrong message that is being given to Anderson. You can't really blame Anderson after seeing this from a captain who has really been a good player for England. He's setting such kind of example, and you are expecting their team to, really behave properly. It's something which really ECB has to step in and look into it.
Well, clearly, not just ECB, perhaps it's time for the ICC also to step in and take a decision or take a view on the issue, because it's also about decorum, it's about this sportsman spirit which seems to be lacking, especially when it comes to the English cricket team. But how are the Indian cricketers reacting? Any initial reactions that you're getting?
No. So far, there has been no reaction that we have, got to see that from the Indian team. But also, I want to take you to another tweet, just 13 hours back, when he tweeted that England are back on track, but the real judgment will be at World Cup and next year Ashes, not against this rabble who has given up. So clearly it
All right.
indicates that
Right.
he is, insulting the Indians, and he should be he should be behaving properly.
Right, something uncalled for there. Thanks very much, Srijit, for joining us with those details.